start digging into this 3.5 EcoBoost. So I'm gonna start tearing it down, get it ready to get cleaned up and rebuilt again. Let's get to it. Clean it off a little. I guess this thing's been sitting in somebody's garage for, I think, a year or two. That's basically what the customer told me. I don't know, I'm not too long if it's a year or two, but it's been at least a year, a minimum. I should bring my road card over here. And rubber line's been on here for a while. Put this over here. Yeah, let me pull this road cart over here with my that. I have all my stuff next to me. On the table. Vacuum line. Give you a closer visual. I just took a couple vacuum hoses off and one water line. And I still got to pull the turbos, all the alternator, compressor off. Like I said, I'll do the same process I did to the other engine that I worked on, that Ecotech, complete tear down, complete built from the ground up. Let's get to it. wow, they destroyed the threads. They destroyed the threads on this valve cover. They just twisted. That's not no bueno. Let me see if I can get it off. Wow. That's not good. I mean, it's not great because I mean that's more money they're gonna have to spend now on the valve cover. They're gonna need another valve cover. Pull the threads right out of the coil with the coil. Wow. Other side. Another one exact the same way. Wow. Either somebody put them on and over torqued them, whoever did coils on this thing, because it has aftermarket coils by the looks of it. They're aftermarket. They twist them on there and broke the damn tips right off. They over torqued them. They're plastic valve covers, people. You can't use the power tool. I mean, to take them off, it's fine, but to put them on, big no-no. Because look, it's pulling the threads right out of the valve cover. Wow. So we got another one, same way. They use a different screw on that. That's not even the right screw. This one they didn't break, thank God. But yeah, let's see the new valve covers as well. Wow. I can't believe that. This is what I mean. They use a different screw. This one is hard to get out, and this one they didn't even use the right screw. They used an Allen wrench. Probably the same thread pattern. I mean, that's probably the reason why. But you see how this one right here has threads built into the valve cover. They're molded into it, into the plastic valve cover. If you over torque this with an electric gun or air gun, you're gonna strip the inside of that. So the next person like myself, the issue that I'm running into now, that now I'm trying to take these things off and they just rotate, and it doesn't even, it's because this thing in here is spinning now. So now these two valve covers are worthless. I can't, even if I clean them, if it didn't have no cracks, they're no good anymore, because whoever did these coil packs broke these valve covers. It's pulling the threads right out of it. So now I gotta finish pulling these things out and valve covers are leaking oil really bad. Look at that. Whoever changed these coils didn't notice this. Not good. guys. Let me get to it. Oh, that hangs up. Take a couple more things. Let me finish taking this off real quick. Oh, never mind. Alright, get a little bit more done. I'm gonna try to get as much as I can off of this. I like taking it all of it out complete and then put all the bolts back in their normal spot. Like that, nothing gets lost. Hopefully I trying to get a ultrasonic cleaner. Like that I go not depend on machine shop and I can do my own cleaning. I do most of it, but the process that I take takes a little bit longer. Sometimes technically it comes out better because I'm physically there with a brush and doing it by hand. But I think an ultrasonic cleaner would be nice too. But I will get one eventually. I'm removing the GDI pump. Wow, this thing is like glued on there. How long it's been on there? A little sticky, huh? Probably like a 9. is a 10. Missing a bolt right here for the alternator. I wonder what happened to that. Missing a bolt right here. Let's see right there. Got the bottom one, but the top one's gone. This compressor looks like it's seen better days. Compressor's off. Everything in the front is completely out. That's the oil cooler. But I did want to point this out that the back port for the water, one of the bolts is missing. This one's the only one still there. This one and these are still here, but this one is missing. Somebody was tampering with this already once. But like I said, these valve covers are destroyed. I'll get to it again tomorrow again.